Good evening, everybody. It's from Jayashree. I'm from SNS College of Technology, from Department of Biomedical Engineering. I'm going to take biology for engineers. The topic is what? Introduction to life. That is, unit title is what? Introduction to life. And this topic is what? Structure of cells. Okay. There are two types of cells. Cells are of two types. Number one is what? Prokaryotic cell. Number two is what? Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contain the nucleus, and whereas a prokaryotic cell does not contain any nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are single-ended organisms, while the eukaryotic cells can either single-ended or multi-ended. Prokaryotic is a single-ended that lacks a membrane-bound nucleus. Okay, mitochondria or any other organelles in the cytoplasm except ribosomes. Cell division occurs mainly by binary division, example bacteria. Prokaryotic cells were the first form of life on earth. They are simpler and smaller than the eukaryotic cells. So this is what the cell structure of this prokaryotic cells. This prokaryotic cell, the important cell is what? Cell wall, which is present in the outer layer of the eukaryotic cells, and plasma membrane, which is the inner wall of the prokaryotic cell, and nuclear DNA, which is what? The innermost layer of this prokaryotic cell, and ribosome, which is going in and around like a cell molecules, and flagellum, which is connected to the other cell structure, and cytoplasm, which is the colloidal structure, and the capsule, which is the innermost layer. Capsule is between plasma membrane and the cell wall. And the pill, it is like the other bacteria. It is like a hard structure which is connected to other bacteria. Okay, that is what this prokaryotic cells. So let us see eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells is nothing but U is nothing but true, karyo is nucleus, true nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have specialized organelles in the cytoplasm, a membrane-bound nucleus enclosing genetic material organized into chromosomes. Their cell division occurs by mitosis and meiosis. Example, plant, animals, fungi, protoplasma and algae. These cells are larger than the typical prokaryotic cell and can be as much as the 1,000 times greater in volume. This is what the eukaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells is bounded inside the nucleus, and after this nucleus it is cytoplasm present and ribosome present, mitochondrium is present and nucleolus is absent. That is what Golgi apparatus, which is also present in this eukaryotic cells. So let us see. There are two types of cell structures we have seen. From the two types of cell structure, we have seen this difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So prokaryotic cells is nothing but this bacteria is present in this. The example is of the prokaryotic cell is nothing but the bacteria, and eukaryotic cells is nothing but the algae, fungi, protozoa and animals. The size of the prokaryotic cells is 1/2 by 1/4 μm or less, or it is, whereas eukaryotic cell it is greater than 5 μm in width or diameter. Next one, genetic system. In nucleoid and chromatin body or nuclear materials is present in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast are present. And structure of nucleus not bounded by nuclear membrane or one circular chromosome. Okay, that is what prokaryotic cell, and bounded by the cellular membrane more than one chromosome. That is what eukaryotic cells. Chromosome does not contain histones and no mitotic division. Chromosome has histone and mitotic nuclear division in eukaryotic cells. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Nucleus is present in eukaryotic cells. Next, cytoplasm structures. That is, mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cell and mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cell. Chloroplast absent in prokaryotic cell and chloroplast is present in eukaryotic cell. Golgi bodies are absent in prokaryotic cell and Golgi bodies are present in the eukaryotic cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic, whereas endoplasmic reticulum is present in eukaryotic. Membrane-bound vasculus is absent in prokaryotic. Membrane-bound vasculus is present in eukaryotic. Cell wall, petechium or nucleus is present in this prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell it is absent of peptidoglycan. And pseudopodia is absent in prokaryotic cell and is present in eukaryotic cell. So that's all about the structure of the and types of the two cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And also we have seen the difference between these two cells. Thank you all. Have a great day.